Hey guys, so I wanted to do a resin reveal, a geoid coaster resin reveal. I got another request order, custom order for this one. They requested to be purple, blue, silver sparkles, and silver glitter. So this is how the back looks like. I made 3 of them. So bam, that. Wow, that is super shiny. It's gorgeous. The edges are gonna be silver after I sand them, because like if you can see, it's a little raised. I don't want it to be rough, so I sand it. Do another one. This one came out perfect too. So they're all just a little slightly different. Last one. It's beautiful. I think this one only had one little air bubble. Ooh, see that? No, right there. Yeah, these came out perfect. These are really pretty. I'm like, I wasn't sure when they said, oh, can you do like purple and blue? And it was purple and blue because I've been making like silver. I did a different one. I was like silver and blue and gold with like a pink, like a pearl color. But like this makes sense because of like the crystal colors. Like this is beautiful. I'm really impressed with this. I'm happy I got requested to do this. So tell me what you guys think. I'm also going to show you guys what I picked up. So I picked up some more of the silver, or not the silver chunk, the foil chunks. So this is copper, this is silver, and this is gold. And this I think was literally like only $5 on Amazon, and I got a lot of it because like when I got like from the resin, I got from a resin little craft kit online on Amazon. They came with like these little packages, so I'm gonna fill these back up. Well, I mean, these are super full, I believe. So I have to wait a little bit. Yeah. Whew. Maybe I don't want to open it yet until I want to use it because there's a lot of product right here. Yeah, so I had to get more of those so I can keep making the coasters. And I want to show you guys what else I got. So I order a lot of my resin stuff from Let's Resin. I even ordered their epoxy from there, which this one I had to message the seller because one day I picked up the bottle and like all of a sudden like that is like melted off somehow. People said that I could have switched the caps, but I'm really good about pouring one, putting the cap on, and opening the other, pouring it, putting the cap on, putting it away. So I don't know how I would have switched the caps, but if that was the case somehow, I did message the seller. They sent me my money back so I can order another one because I've never had a problem with it before. And this is like really amazing resin. Like I love how like there's hardly any bubbles. So I really enjoy that one. And I decided to get their, one of their, what's it called? Mica collections. So this is their 24 Mica color pack. And they're all so pretty. Like little spoons just felt like these are the little spoons to measure it out with. It came with, it's like yellow, the orange. I think this is the blue. No, this is the blue I've been using for the coasters. So I definitely needed more of that one. I can't wait to try out like this gorgeous pink. Like I had a little sample pack from the little kit that I got from the coasters and stuff that came with the foil flakes. And so I decided to get like the full size ones because the little ones, they come in like these tiny little pods, enough to use for like probably like two coaster sets, so I definitely thought to get a whole pack of these. So I can't wait to play with these. I'm excited. Yeah, so I've also been working on like my craft area. I feel like I'm always working on my craft area, and I think I finally found what I really wanted. I actually ended up getting rid of the gray desk that I had here. Like I just built it, I think like 2-3 months ago, and then I was just not feeling it. It's just like I need something. I'll show you what I'm using. Lights in the way, but I didn't want nothing blocking me, because then it's hard to use my Cricut machine if something's just in the way. So I just have this. I'm slowly covering it up with contact paper. So this is how it's gonna look. This is the old color. So I'm getting rid of all that by just covering it with this contact paper I've gotten from the dollar store. And then I'm getting rid of all these plastic storages. I don't like them. I'm thinking of putting like 2 cube shelves back to back, like the 8 cube shelves. Like I'm just super excited to do how I've been kind of picturing it in my head. I've had this picture, I had this image, and I love like the kind of like the worn what is this called? This kind of wood, this tone. I don't know what it's called, but it's like my favorite right now. I mean, I even have that picture up there. It's kind of like it. I'm trying to get my dad to make me a background for my items when I take pictures outside, of like a worn, weathered down wood with like the white or gray tone. And then slowly, my husband has like tons of shoes. We're thinking of getting like a bunch of the shoe boxes we've seen on Amazon and just stacking them all against the wall. So that would be like kind of his area. I mean, we're also like kind of house shopping a little bit, seeing where we want to be, because we are thinking of moving. And yeah, I just love putting everything together, and it's just finally getting to where I've wanted. And I've just been working with what I have, what I can get in the moment, just being on a budget lately. But now I've just been building like my savings and writing my list on what I want, and I'm slowly just working on it little by little on getting the things I actually want for my crafts. And I'm super excited, and I'm really happy, and I can't wait to share with you guys how it ends up turning out when it's done.